All right, today I want to go over the jumping feature in Hey. To get around Hey, you can click on emails like any other email app. Hey also has a feature called the Hey menu, and if you click on that, you can see everything that you can do in the app. You can get to all your boxes, you can scroll down and see all your labels, or anything else. Now, that's great and easy to do, but check this out. You can also do a lot of this stuff by jumping around using just your keyboard. Of course, I can go down here and click dog stuff to jump to the dog stuff label, but I can also just start typing dog stuff and it filters this menu down. Now, if I just hit the return key, I go right to the label I want. But it gets even better. So I'm going to leave my cursor over here so I can show you just how easy this is. From anywhere in the app, if I hit the H key on my keyboard, it'll pop that Hey menu up and then I can start typing, paper trail to jump right to the paper trail. Or maybe I want to jump to drafts. Again, I'll hit the H key and type drafts. You get the idea. You can also use the Hey menu to jump to a person. For example, one of my contacts is Jasmine, so if I hit H to pop up the Hey menu and type Jasmine, I'll hit return and I'll jump right to Jasmine's page. You see, every contact in Hey has a page of their own, so you can jump around like this to anyone or anything. So give this a try. Pop up the Hey menu by pressing the H key on your keyboard and start typing something in. It's a really wonderful way to get around Hey quickly and without having to touch your mouse at all.